So the question says that you have to construct three equations with x is equal to 2. ठीक है. Now remain, just tell me one thing. I'm just giving you one condition. Equation means, which was already told by me, equation means equality. Equality between two-sided expressions. Two-sided equation means one will be LHS, one will be RHS, and आपको इन दोनों को बैलेंस रखना है. बैलेंस मतलब इक्वल रखना है, लाइक अ तराजू. ठीक है. You have a weighing machine or you have something जो पुरानी वाली weight के लिए आता था. तो आप तब तक इसको इक्वल रख सकते हो बेटा जब तक आप जो भी चीजें कर रहे हो वो दोनों तरफ करो. ठीक है. दिस इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड दिस इज राइट हैंड साइड. और आपको अगर इसको बैलेंस रखना है, बैलेंस मीन्स यू हैव टू मेक इट इक्वल. फॉर इक्वेशन यू हैव टू कीप इट इक्वल. तो रिमेंबर, आप इक्वल तभी रख सकते हो जब आपके पास जो भी चीज यहाँ करो वही चीज यहाँ भी करो. Suppose here 5 laddu, here 5 laddu. If you want to remove 2 laddus from here, so you have to remove it from here also. Then only it will be equal. Otherwise, it will not. है ना? So remember one thing. कि if you have any equation given and you have to make it, you have to do some changes also with it, and you have to make it. You have to just make it remain equal only or equation only. तो आप जो भी चेंजेस करते हो अगर इसके लेफ्ट में, तो आपको राइट में भी करना पड़ेगा. देन ओनली यू विल बी टेकिंग दिस इक्वेशन एज इक्वेशन ओनली. मतलब आप चेंजेस भी करो और वो इक्वेशन भी बना रहे, वो केवल तभी हो सकता है व्हेन यू विल डू चेंजेस इन सच अ वे दैट इफ यू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ चेंज इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, यू हैव टू डू द सर्टेन चेंज, द सेम चेंजेस इन राइट हैंड साइड एज वेल. देन ओनली दिस विल रिमेन इक्वेशन इटसेल्फ. अगर आपने एक तरफ बढ़ाया और दूसरी तरफ कुछ नहीं बढ़ाया तो ये इक्वेशन नहीं रह जाएगा. It will not be an equation in that situation. So remember, equation only comes in that situation when you do any changes in left hand side. So you have to do changes in right hand side as well if you want to make it equation. ठीक है. So what to do? This was already given, x is equal to 2. So अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे अपने मन से. It's not my choice only. It can be your choice, it can be anybody's choice. जो भी आप कर रहे हो, it should be on both the ends. ठीक है. So let me take example. सबसे पहला क्या करती हूँ, I am giving 5 to this number also, 5 to this number also. सबसे पहला I am giving adding 5 to both sides. ठीक है. जब आपने ऐड किया तो ये बन गया x प्लस 5 और यहाँ बन गया 2 प्लस 5. ठीक है. दोनों तरफ 5 5 ऐड किया. नाउ x प्लस 5 तो कुछ सॉल्व हो ही नहीं सकता. इट विल रिमेन x प्लस 5 ओनली एंड 2 प्लस 5 विल गिव यू 7. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज वन इक्वेशन विच वी नीड. और अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो सॉल्व करने के बाद यू विल गेट द आंसर 2 ओनली. Just try it in your mind. Will it come? X is equal to 7 minus 5. ठीक है. आ गया. X की वैल्यू 2 आ रही है. हाँ चलो, तो पहली इक्वेशन हमको मिल गई. x plus 5 is equals to 2. ठीक है. x plus 5 is equal to 7. सॉरी. So this is first equation. But question कह रहा है हमको 3 equations चाहिए. तो हमने एक ले लिया. अब हम फिर से कुछ जुगाड़ लगाते हैं इसी इक्वेशन पे और कुछ से फिर से कुछ चेंजेस करते हैं. तो x इज इक्वल टू 2. अब हमने इस बार क्या कर लिया, सबट्रैक्टिंग कर लिया. सबट्रैक्टिंग क्या सबट्रैक्ट करें बताइए, आप ही बताइए. लेट अस टेक 10. सबट्रैक्टिंग 10 टू बोथ द साइड. To both side. Now I am taking 10. It's not your if it is depending on your wish, you can take it another number also. ठीक है. So I am taking subtracting 10 now this time. So यहाँ पर x था, subtract किया तो it will be x minus 10 और यहाँ पर 2 था, 2 minus 10. जब इसको solve किया तो it will give you x minus 10 only and this will give you minus 8. Now this is second equation. Now solve it in your mind and tell me what answer will you get it. Just see that x minus 10 है, minus 10 उधर जाएगा तो it will give you plus 10, minus 8 plus 10 and when you will solve minus 8 plus 10 will give you plus 2 only. ठीक है. x की वैल्यू 2 आ जाएगी फिर से. ठीक है. मतलब हम लोगों ने सेकेंड इक्वेशन भी बना ली. अब लेट अस ट्राई फॉर द थर्ड इक्वेशन. तो अब हमने एडिशन भी कर लिया, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी कर लिया. नाउ लेट अस डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ठीक है, बिकॉज वी नीड 3 इक्वेशन. सो लेट अस डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिस टाइम. So for multiplying if you are doing, should I remove it or इधर पे कर देती हूँ. ठीक है, तो multiplying 4 ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, multiplying 4 to both the side. So when you are taking multiplying both the side, it will give you 4 into x, because this side it was x, so 4x, and here 4 you will multiply, so 4 2 ja 8. So the here equation, the equation which you will get it will be 4x is equal to 8. This is third equation. इसको भी दिमाग में solve करके देख लो. You will get it 2 only. Will you get it 2? Just think. Will you get it 2 or not? Think of it. Yes or no? Please reply in the chat box. Will you get 2 or not? Okay, Rahul has replied. I want reply of all the student beta. Shubham also replied. Beta, if you will be also telling me, I will be also telling, then only the class will be fine. Otherwise, I will be thinking that you people are understanding. और अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा होगा, then how will I come to know? ठीक है, so please reply as soon as you understand. ठीक है, okay, thank you. Exercise 4.3 question number 1E. अच्छा, okay, so this is done. ठीक है, now remember, you can multiply, you can add any number as you want. ठीक है, you can want, if you want any other number to multiply with, you can multiply. It's totally your choice. Okay, it's totally your choice, beta. What number you are multiplying, what number you are adding, what number you are subtracting. So as I have done it, x is equal to 2, the same x is equal to minus, like that only. X is equal to 2 will come. Okay. Now moving on to, there is a question which is asked by Rahul. Let us take this one. Then I am taking RS Agrawal questions. ठीक है, आज हम RS Agrawal पढ़ाएंगे. And then we will discuss the next exercise tomorrow. ठीक है, because that will be the last exercise. उसमें word formation, equation formation है, so वो हम लोग last पे करेंगे कल. ठीक है, so I am taking, beta please Rahul speak the question. Speak the question please. What was the question? Tell faster. Exercise 4.3 question number 1E. रुक जाओ, I am taking only question number 1 का E. 5 upon 2x is equal to minus 5. Is this the question, Rahul?
Yes, ma'am.
Rahul, yes or no? Please reply faster. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not getting your voice. Yes, okay, fine. So if you remember this question, this pattern was told by me already yesterday. It is 5 by 2. So ये अगर उधर जाएगा, so it will be in the form of multiplication. And 5 by 2 का क्या बन जाएगा? 2 by 5. तो ये आपके पास माइनस, ये 5 से ये 5 कैंसिल हो गया, बचा क्या हमारे पास? ओनली -2. दिस इज द आंसर. I hope Rahul, I have answered your query. If not, please ask. Okay.
Can
Rahul
you
says
explain
yes.
it again?
Yes.
Can you explain it again?
Beta, yesterday I was teaching this one. If you have not understood this pattern, please watch video once again. Let me explain it to you. This question. It's 5 by 2. It is in multiply. तो ये जब उधर जाता है तो it will go in multiply only, but it goes in reciprocal. So this is 5 by 2. तो यहाँ पे multiply में जाकर 5 by 2 को पलट जाएगा. It will give you numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. X is equal to -5 पहले से रहेगा, multiply भी पहले से रहेगा, 5 by 2 convert होके 2 by 5 में जाएगा. So this 5 and this 5 cancelled, and this is minus, so minus 2 to 2. So answer will be x is equals to minus 2. ठीक है. Kshitij, you can see recording of yesterday, beta. I have taught this pattern yesterday only. ठीक है. So once you can see that.
Ma'am,
recording. Okay.
Ma'am, I was present yesterday.
Sorry.
Ma'am,
You were
Ayush.
present, so who? अच्छा, Ayush asked. Okay, okay, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. So I just want to ask before I move further, do you have any question related to exercise 4.3 or should I move to RS? Okay, I am taking the questions related to RS Agrawal now. ठीक है. चलो, all of you write it down the heading in your fair copy. RS Agrawal questions. Please write it down faster. Yes, the heading everybody will write it down. If you have written the heading, write it down yes in the chat box. तो 2 मिनट बाद खत्म होने वाला है ना. Write it down the heading RS Agrawal questions or question bank, anything. Now I am taking the important questions only. ठीक है, which comes in exam. तो उस questions को लेते हैं. Just give me some time. Three x plus 2 minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 7. This pattern was taught by me yesterday. Okay, this pattern was taught by me yesterday only, if you remember. ठीक है. Now let us open the bracket. If you remember, ये कल पढ़ाया था कि सबसे पहला work which we do is just opening the bracket only. ठीक है. So when you will open the bracket in this question, 3 will be multiplied with x, which will give us 3x. Then plus will remain plus only. Then 3 will be multiplied with 2, which will give you 3 2s are 6. ठीक है. Then moving on to this step, it is minus. So when you will multiply 2 with x, it will give you 2x. And this minus will also be multiplied, so it will give you minus 2x. ठीक है. Now moving on to the next thing. Then here minus and this minus will get multiplied. So minus minus will give you here plus. And 2 will multiply with 1. It will give you 2 1s are 2. And 7 will remain 7. Any confusion in this line? Any confusion in this line? Yes or no? Okay.
No,
Fine.
ma'am.
So, okay. When you have this one now, you can see this is 3x and this is minus 2x. एक साथ लिख देते हैं. Now this is plus 6 and this is plus 2. एक साथ लिख देते हैं और 7 का 7. Now 3x में से 2x minus किया तो बचा 1x, or you can write it down only x. Then 6 और 2 मिलाकर it will give you 8 and this is only 7. So when you will solve it, it will give you x is equals to 7 minus 8. And when you will solve 7 minus 8, it will give you minus 1. This question was a simple question. Only the pattern was different. ठीक है, just pattern was little different. I am giving you one question according to this only. Please solve it and tell me what should be the answer in this case. Please be little faster in doing this question.
Which exercise is this of RS Agrawal?
Simplifying the equation, I believe this is the question related to एक मिनट बताते हैं. Exercise 8.2. 8.2 and the previous question which I gave you, it was a question number, I believe 17. This was 17th number question. Exercise 8.2 RS Agrawal से. 8.2 from RS. ठीक है. And this was 17th number question. And the question which just now I gave you here, this is question number 19. बहुत सारे questions दिए हुए हैं. This is 19th number question. Please do it little faster along with me. What is the time of this period being just getting over?
I'm 10:25.
10:25. Okay, we have sufficient time. We can do this. Okay, please do it little faster, beta. And after doing, please share your answers with me. ठीक है? In my chat box only. After doing, share your answers with me. That what answer will you get it? Good, good, very nice. There are 2-3 students who have done it also. First 6 will be multiplied with 1, which will give you 6 only. Minus will remain minus because here the sign of plus is there. तो multiply करोगे तब भी वही आएगा. 6 4s are 24. X will be remain like that only. 24x plus 7 2s are 14. Plus will get multiplied, which will give you plus only. 7 5s are 35x is equal to 53. ठीक है? Now let us solve it further. This is 24x and this is 35x. So 35 में से 24 minus जब करोगे, you will get it 11. Yes, you will get it 11. ठीक है? And this is 14 and this is plus 6, which will give us 20. ठीक है? Which will give us 20. And here we have 53 only. Now when you will solve it, it will get transferred. So it will give you 11x is equals to 53 minus 20. 53 minus 20 means you will get it 33. And x value will be 33 divided by 11, which will give us 3. Which will give us 3. Understood or not? Tell me. The question was not so tough. Only the main concept is to open the bracket. Okay, okay. I believe Shubham, have you got it now? Shubham, have you understood?
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Okay, Kshitij, you want to say something?
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
11x plus 20 is equal to 53.
फिर से बोलिए. 11x plus 20 is equal to 53. Yes. Is it okay, Kshitij?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now moving on to the next question. ठीक है? Moving on to the next question, which will be of little different pattern. Let me take a screenshot of this one. Taken. Okay. So ये वाला पैटर्न एक जैसा था बेटा. हाँ, ये दोनों, ये वाला पैटर्न एक जैसा था. अब थोड़ा सा नेक्स्ट पैटर्न पे आते हैं. नेक्स्ट पैटर्न मीन्स let me take up another question here. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन नहीं लेंगे, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट लेते हैं. द क्वेश्चन इज x अपॉन, ये वाला नहीं. ये वाला pattern is done. This pattern is also done. This 6x plus 5, 2x plus 17. Yes, I am taking out now next question. This question is now of exercise 8.3. Now we are doing the question from exercise 8.3 from R.S. Agrawal only. The question one is 6x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 17. Now this is the pattern where you will see that x is written on both the sided. ठीक है? On both the side x is written. It means यहाँ पर भी 6x है, यहाँ पर वाला भी x है. तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? We'll take x one side and number one side. ठीक है? It means we will transfer it. तो 6x को यही रहने दो. ये वाला 2x यहाँ पर the sign is positive, it will come here in negative, or you can call it in, it will come in addition or subtraction here. It was in addition form, so it will come here in subtraction form. ठीक है, 17 यहीं पर रहेगा, 17 को हमने कुछ नहीं किया. This was +5, इसको हम यहाँ लेकर गए तो -5. This step is okay or not? Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Step is understood or not? If understood, then we'll move ahead. Okay. So when you will do this step, you will get 6x minus 2x, which will give us 4x. ठीक है? And 17 minus 5, which will give us 12. ठीक है? 17 minus 5, which will give us 12. And when you will solve this one, it will give you absolutely beta. It will give us 12 divided by 4, which will give us 3. Which will give us 3. So 12 divided by 4, it will give us 3. This is the solution related to this question. Now, अगर question में आपसे ये पूछता है, now you have to verify the result also. How to verify the result? Verify the result का मतलब होता है you should put the value here and check it whether you are getting the same value or in both the sided or not. It means this you have to check this answer is correct or not. कैसे check करते हैं हमेशा? Remember like this. Suppose आपको verify करना है, ठीक है? तो क्या करेंगे, जहां जहां पर x है वहां पर आप वैल्यू रख दोगे 3. तो 6 into 3 plus 5, और इधर पे भी रखेंगे 2 into 3 plus 17. Now let us check it. It will 6 into 3, it will give you 18 plus 5, and 2 3 just 6 plus 17. ठीक है? Now when you will add it, 18 plus 5 which will give us 23, and 17 plus 6 which will also give us 23. Now you can see we are getting the same value on both the sides. It means this answer x is equal to 3 is absolutely correct. ठीक है? It is absolutely correct. It means verified. So remember, for verifying, what we will do, we will just simply put the value on question itself. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes or no? Please remember, bhai. Just reply.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing your
Okay,
screen.
It is shared. It is shared, bhai. Okay. So that's all for today. Okay, and please try the questions related to it. We still have 2 minutes left. I just want to take up one more question, little different from this one, जो कि मुझे tough लग रहा है अभी देखने में. तो एक और pattern cover हो जाएगा 2 minutes में. At least I will explain it. This is exercise 8.3, question number 4 only. It is in your RS Agarwal itself. X by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2x upon 5 minus 1. ठीक है? सबसे पहला काम क्या करो, x को एक तरफ, x वाले टर्म एक तरफ, एंड नंबर्स एक तरफ, जैसे आपने पुराने वाले क्वेश्चन में किया है. ठीक है? तो x वाला टर्म से हम एक साथ लेके आएंगे. द फर्स्ट स्टेप विच यू विल डू, x by 2 will remain here only. This is 2x upon 5. ये यहाँ पर माइनस में आकर के हो जाएगा 2x upon 5. ठीक है? बिकॉज इट वॉज विद द साइन प्लस, तो यहाँ अगर माइनस हो गया. नाउ इज इक्वल टू, दिस वॉज -1. इसको कुछ नहीं करेंगे, -1 इज देयर ओनली. इस 3/2 को हमने उधर भेज दिया, तो इट विल गिव अस -3/2 बिकॉज इट वॉज इन प्लस. टिल हियर आई होप इट इज फाइन. Now what we will do, we will just simply solve it. How we will solve it? It will give you LCM of 5 and 2, which will give us 10. Solve करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, नीचे डिवाइड ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई, so ये डिवाइड करेंगे 5 से x का मल्टीप्लाई किया 5x. नीचे डिवाइड अगेन विल गिव यू 2 2 जा 4x इज इक्वल टू, इसको भी सॉल्व करेंगे, नीचे कुछ नहीं है मतलब 2, इट विल गिव अस -2 -3. सॉल्व होगा तो यहाँ पर आएगा -5/2, और इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आ जाएगा x/10. ठीक है? ये वाला 10 उधर जाएगा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मल्टीप्लाई. यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर है? 1/10. तो जब वहां जब जाएगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? इनटू में 10. तो 5/10, 2 इनटू में 10. तो 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10. वैल्यू ऑफ x वुड बी -25. This is the solution related to this question. I took your 1 minute only extra. Beta, please try questions of R.S. Agarwal. ठीक है, please try questions of R.S. Agarwal. They are totally different from NCERT. And remember, if you have to move forward with class 8, remember do the questions related to R.S. ठीक है, जितना ज्यादा करेंगे आपको उतना ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. ठीक है, thank you very much everyone. Aditya, you may stop recording. Aditya, you may stop recording, beta.